Using a PC, laptop, or Mac has become a need for everyone. We spend so much time on devices daily, yet many people don't know the shortcuts they hold. A simple shortcut, tool, or function can greatly improve your work efficiency. We've compiled 14 computer tricks that can make your life easier. Let's get started. Number 1. Use images without downloading. Images are sometimes needed when working on Word or making a presentation in PowerPoint. What do we usually do? We first open the picture, then download it and insert it. It might take a long time and make your computer messy. You can copy the picture instead. To copy a picture, open it in a new tab, right-click on it, or use the Ctrl and C key combination on your keyboard. Then, copy it with the mouse or the Ctrl+V combination in a Word or PowerPoint document. This will save you the trouble of saving the picture and then deleting it. 2. Disable startup applications. When you turn on your computer, it starts up with several programs already running. This is important for your computer to work, but having too many programs running at startup can make it run more slowly. Windows Task Manager has a tab called Startup that lets you choose which programs run when the computer first starts up. Pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape and clicking the Startup tab will get you to the Task Manager on most Windows systems. Pick a program from the list and hit the Disable button to stop it from starting up automatically. 3. Recover deleted files. Did you know you can get back files that you removed from your computer for good? Command Prompt lets you do this. Go to the Start screen and press Enter. Enter CMD. Right-click on the first match and choose Run as Administrator to open the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, type lowercase chk dsk uppercase x :/lowercase f and press Enter. Type the letter of your hard drive where X is. Hit Enter after typing uppercase ATT RIB-HH-S/S/D-X : ***. Change X to the letter of your hard drive once more. It could take a while to recover fully, so be patient and don't interrupt it. After that, you can select the file you want to recover. 4. Clean up the disk. Disk Cleanup helps you make more room on your hard drive, which speeds up your system. Disk Cleanup looks through your disk and shows you temporary files, internet cache files, and program files that you don't need and that you can safely delete. 1. Open the File Manager. 2. Click the hard drive icon, then right-click and choose Properties. Click Disk Cleanup on the General tab. 4th, uncheck any files on the list that you don't want to delete. Press OK. Press Delete Files to begin the cleanup. Wait until Disk Cleanup is done. 5. Use the Snipping tool. The window has a built-in snipping tool that can be used in addition to taking snapshots. You can use the full screen snip, the window snip, the freeform snip, and the rectangular snip. When you take a picture, the snip is moved to the Snipping tool window, where you can change it, save it, and share it. To start, press the Start button and type Snipping tool, then pick the Snipping tool from the list that comes up. You can also get to the Snipping tool by pressing Ctrl+Windows+S. 6. Use multiple desktops in a single computer. Windows Multiple Desktops feature is a useful way to handle multiple screens without having a real multi-display setup. 1. Click Task View, new screen on the taskbar. 2. On that laptop, open the apps you want to use. 3. Choose Task View again to go to a different screen. Multi-desktop is great for doing different tasks that need a lot of tabs open at the same time. 7. Inspect element. Most web browsers have a tool called Inspect that lets you change a page briefly. First, open Google Chrome and connect to the internet. Right-click on any part of the page with your mouse and choose Inspect. Find and click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the browser's sidebar while the page is open. Then click Developer Tools and then More Tools. To open Inspect, press Shortcuts on your computer. To do this quickly, press F12 on a PC or CMD plus Option plus I on a Mac. Click on the mouse on a box icon in the upper left part of Inspect. After that, click on the text on the page that you want to change. This will make that text stand out in blue. Double-click on this text to change it, and then press Enter when you're done. You can now hack a page and show it to your friends. 8. Copy Clipboard. This shortcut on the computer is for people who do a lot of copy and pasting. Using this tool, you can see everything you've copied in your clipboard. For this, go to Start, Settings, System, Clipboard, and make sure that Clipboard History is turned on. When you press the Windows key and V again, a box will pop up that shows you all the things you've copied before. No more worries about missing that word, line, link, or text that you copied. 9. Renaming the file. If you work with pictures all the time and download a lot of test files every day, renaming files can be a real pain. A hotkey can save you a lot of time. If you pick a file or folder in Windows Explorer and press F2, you can quickly change its name. You don't have to right-click on a file and select Rename from the menu that appears. Just do this instead. Hold down Shift and right-click to improve this feature. To do this, pick a group of files and press the F2 key. Each file in the group will then be given the same name, followed by a number. 10. End task by Task Manager. The Windows app we use sometimes needs to be faster. There's the annoying "this program is not responding" message. Most of the time, forcing the app to close is the best thing to do in this situation. This means that your computer will close the program on its own, no matter what it's doing or trying to do. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You'll list the applications that are running. Select the one that's not working and click End Task. The computer will close the application. You can start the program up again after stopping it. 11. Find the correct answer on Google. You can use the quotation mark operator to get a good Google result when looking for a certain word or sentence. Pages that have the same words in the same order as the ones in the quotes will show up when you search for something. It also cuts down on the amount of search results because you're filtering and limiting them. 12. Minimize the windows. Aero Shake is a feature in Windows 11 that lets you clear up your desktop by grabbing and shaking a window to make all other windows smaller in the background. By shaking the window back, you can bring back all the minimized apps. Before Windows 11, the Aero Shake feature for the title bar window was turned on by default. Starting with Windows 11, however, it's turned off by default, but now you can choose how to use it in the Settings app. Step 1. Click on System. 2. Click on the multitasking page on the right. 3. To make Aero Shake work on Windows 11, turn on the title bar window shake setting. 13. Emoji on Windows. Did you know that Windows has its own emoji? Start any Windows app that lets you enter text to use this. 1. Click the left mouse button in any text box in the program you just started to make sure the cursor is active in that window. 2. Hold down the Windows key and either the period or semicolon on your computer until the emoji picker appears. Click on any of them to add an image to the text box. You can also scroll down the page to see more. 14. Copy extension. The Allow Copy Plus button is for people who want to access online material without any limits. You can easily add this app to Chrome to make your browsing better by letting you copy text. It can copy text from websites that don't let you see certain things. You can use other add-ons as well. That's it for today. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more useful tricks and tips.